Alright, so replacing my windshield with a bigger one to help prevent some wind from hitting me because the way that I drive to work is pretty fast and it is brutal. So you start off by taking off these four. I believe the size is 4. Yep, 4. So that one. To take it off, it's not too bad. They come off very, very easy. I thought they were going to be more stuck, so I had my ratchet set ready, but honestly, like, they turn with almost nothing. The newton meters on it aren't very high. Okay, so next, there's two different kinds of screws. You got the ones with the heads, like these, and you have the ones without, like these. So you're going to use the one without the heads. The one with the heads get the caps. So you grab one of these, and you're going to grab a washer, and you're going to put it like this. Bolt, and then when you're installing it, it's going to go narrow, and then on. I'll show you in a second. Alright, so you're going to go just like that. So that one is the R one, and then the longer part is facing away. And then you're going to match it on the other side. Those sizes of the Allen keys is number 3. Alright, so there we are. Both the brackets are hooked on, left and right. And next we're moving on to putting on that with the remaining bolts. Alright, so you got these rubber things, and they are going to go right into these holes. It's 4. Pop all 4 in, and you're pretty much there. Pop in, and we're good looking good. Alright, so next you take the bolts and you put on the clear ones, these washers. I am missing one. I don't know what it is with me. Every time I order stuff online, it's always missing something. I forget the washer on. You're going to put it like that and screw it on. You're going to do that to all 4. Put these caps on to cover up the screws so it won't look so ugly, and you're done. So that's a lot nicer. Hold on. Than what it was. So it will actually give me some wind resistance, and you can still see through it, like you can see the Z. So that will be nice when I'm actually going a little bit quicker.